Life is about moments. Life is about remembering that one thing that changed my life. Come on, man. Do you have that real look in your eye? That when you look at yourself in the mirror, you can ask yourself this question: did I give everything I got? Did I lay it all on the line? Or am I cheating myself?
Give me my ones, give me my ones. Take it home. Let's go, let's go. Tough, man. Yeah. That's what I like. That's what I like right there.
All the world will be your enemy. Prince with 1,000 enemies.
What is that one moment? What is that one race? What's that one fight I found myself in that I had to make up my mind that I was gonna be different? What makes me different? When I get up every day, if it's somebody else as hungry as me, what makes them choose me?
Alright, so we gonna race now. Who you think gonna win? Who gonna win? Who gonna win?
That's it.
I think we're gonna win. You're not gonna beat him. You're not fast enough. You wanna race? You faster than nobody fast. Alright, we gonna see, let's race. Yeah!
And to be different, it's got to come from your gut. It's got to come from your heart, your mind, your soul, your spirit. You got to be willing to die for it every second of your life.
Let's go, everybody. Bring it up, bring it up. If you don't want it, somebody else got to come in here and take it, okay? You got to want it. You want to be dominant. If you don't want it, somebody else is going to come in and take somebody's spot. Who will? Oh, yes, baby. Oh, yes, baby. This is hard. This is hard. Who's going to step up? Step up. Oh, look who it is. Woo.
Most athletes say talent will take you a long ways. I tell you, effort will last eternity.